Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you're a subscriber, I appreciate you taking your time to watch and support my channel. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. This is just a little Christmas DIY that I got some inspiration from Hobby Lobby. I took these little Dollar Tree boxes and removed the stickers and gave it a little sand so the antique wax that I'm going to use on here would adhere better. Okay, we're just going to give all three of these boxes a coat of the antique wax. And these are the outside of those boxes. The inside the boxes I put up for another project.
The halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la. Done we now again.
Okay, now I'm just going to take a paper towel and wipe off some of the excess antique wax. Try to lighten it up just a little bit. Okay, we have all three boxes finished and dry. I'm going to sit them here and try to position them to where I want them, which you'll see shortly how they're going to go. And I went into Cricut Design Space and found the letters, the font that I wanted for my letters, Joy, J-O-Y. And we're going to put, you'll need 2 J's, 1 O, and 2 Y's. And if you don't have a Cricut, you can use the Dollar Tree poster letters or any type of sticker that you can find. You can use a paint marker, anything. You do not have to have a Cricut to do this DIY. And you're just going to put a J on one full side of the box, and you're going to put a J on right directly beside it on the other side of the box. And make sure you're leaving the opening of these boxes all on the bottom. When you stack these boxes, you want the opening to be all on the bottoms.
The ancient Yuletide carol, la 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 la.
And I was having just a little bit of trouble with this vinyl here. I'm not sure what brand this was, but I don't like it. I have quickly learned that Cricut is by far my favorite vinyl. Now I found some good heat transfer vinyl that's not Cricut brand, but a lot of the vinyl I just don't like. I really enjoy the Cricut brand vinyl. Okay, here we're just going to take our two Ys and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to put them side by side on each side of a block. You're going to pick two sides of the block and just put the Y there, flip it right over and put the Y right there beside it. Okay, and you only need one O, and so you're just going to choose the side of your box and put that on there to where you can line up the J-O-Y to spell joy. Okay, now here's where we're going to line our boxes up. You're going to take your J and your Y and offset them to where the two corners line up with each other, but you're going to put your O straight. So you're going to line it's going to be like catty corner. So your J and your Y are going to be lined up, and then your O is going to be like straight. And then I'm taking some Gorilla Wood Glue, and I'm gluing that, and I left a spot in the middle to put a dab of hot glue. I would not use hot glue if you don't have to. It kind of went underneath and you could see it, so I would just avoid using hot glue and just use the wood glue. Okay, I'm sorry I'm shaking you a little bit. I'm trying to get you positioned to where you can get a better view so you can see how the corners line up with each other. And then the O is kind of straight. You want to be able to see the two J's, the two Y's, and then just the O. And here I'm just going to wipe off some of the excess Gorilla Wood Glue, and it is ready. I'm just going to take a little, you can see how the corners are lined up there. And I'm just going to take a little miniature black and red buffalo check bow and hot glue it right to the corner right there. You can decorate this any way you want yourself. And I also sanded all the corners down a little bit with a piece of low grit sandpaper just to give it a little bit more of a rustic look. And I hope you enjoy this. I just thought it was so cute when I seen it, and I just thought I could do it with the Dollar Tree blocks. They were a lot smaller blocks in the Hobby Lobby, but I like it a lot bigger. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and please hit the like button. Thank you.